Eagle Z fans. Today we're diving into a world of wild sound. Rare classic engines are gearing up to start, and their roar is about to blow your mind. Let's get started. Crank the flywheel, wait for the blue smoke, and then bup, bup, bup. That's the Deutz. For countless European farmers, that rhythm meant work was about to begin. It may not be cutting edge, but it's rugged, fuel efficient, and as trustworthy as an old friend.
Lass die Spiele beginnen!
Jetzt!
Jawoll!
This Schluter diesel stands still, but it can do more than you think. From generating power, pumping water, to running small workshops. At Hohenheim 2015, it was restarted in front of the crowd. The beats are not fast, but steady. Each thump is a message from the past. The Zvezda M50V12, with a 63-liter displacement, stands as a symbol of Soviet engineering during the Cold War. Designed for military vehicles and tanks, this engine carries the legacy of an era. Its powerful roar evokes memories of battles long past. The Bessemer engine, 1923 to 85 horsepower at 250 RPM. Not known for speed, but its reliability made it a cornerstone of Ontario's industry, operating for decades. Now it rests in the Bruce County Heritage Exhibition, a testament to its lasting impact. The hiss of steam, the clash of metal as the Minneapolis steam traction engine begins its climb. Every throttle push feels like an explosion from the past, powerful and commanding, drawing every eye. A classic machine, conquering each hill like a king. The 42-liter Packard Bentley Mavis is powered by a supercharged Packard Fury 12 engine, delivering 1,500 horsepower. At 21 feet long and weighing 2.7 tons, Mavis consumes up to 15 liters of fuel per minute. The supercharger gives it exceptional speed and performance. A rare machine, it still carries the Packard legacy from the 1940s. The Deutschfacet 12, a 12L614, released in 1954, features a 16-liter displacement and air cooling. A symbol of German industry, this engine was produced for only 6 years, yet remains a key part of heavy industry. It is highly regarded in Australia due to its rarity. There's nothing smooth about the sound of Brutus. This isn't the car you take on a leisurely drive with your wife. Each blast from the BMW engine is like a battle cry. It's the sound of a raw, powerful, and aggressive sports engine. Storebro Hot Bulb, 1936. When this engine starts, a warm roar fills the air, with 40 horsepower stretching through each turn at 300 RPM. With a gentle 75 decibel sound, the Storebro is like a reliable companion, powerful and enduring through time and long journeys. With 18 cylinders and 46 liters of displacement, the Pratt & Whitney R2800 Double Wasp once delivered 2,800 horsepower to aircraft like the Hellcat, Thunderbolt, and B-26. Now its signature growl rises again, not worn down by decades, but stronger than ever. After decades of service, the Caterpillar D9G still runs smoothly, even in freezing conditions, proving its unmatched starting ability. This isn't just an engine, it's a historical icon, once part of countless monumental construction projects. The roar of its engine is a testament to its unwavering durability. At Brazeltag 2019, crowds witnessed one of the craziest feats of engineering, a jet-powered school bus. With 25,000 horsepower from a jet turbine, this is no ordinary bus. It's a living rocket. The Cooper-Bessemer engine, with its powerful roar, stands as a symbol of durability in the gas industry. Equipped with 16 cylinders, it not only demonstrates superior strength, but also plays a key role in operations, from gas extraction to running industrial machinery. A whole year without a single touch. Yet this morning, the biplane crop duster came back to life. No battery, no starter, just a hand crank and faith. The mechanic spun the prop. On the third try, it fired. That 9-cylinder Pratt & Whitney breathed steadily, like it had never missed a day. W670-9A, the roar of wartime. Standing before this engine, it's not just the sound you hear, but the heat of metal you feel. Tested on the battlefield, the W670-9A stands as a symbol of resilience, the boundless strength that powered fighter planes through the most intense skies of conflict. Atlas 3-cylinder, 1927. The sound of machinery, slow rhythmic explosions, clank, clank, puff. Each piston stroke a testament to an era of mechanical power, strong and unhurried. The moment the Class 08 locomotive 08164, Prudence emerges after a major overhaul, the roar of the engine reverberates through the air, a promise of durability and power. Prudence is no longer just a train. It is a symbol of the hard days gone by and the journeys that lie ahead. You won't find many machines still running from 1910, but the Polar T3K is different. Blue smoke puffs out, followed by a deep firing sound like an ox pulling a plow. It needs no electricity, no ECU, just a hand crank and patience. In the 1930s, as the world was engulfed in the flames of war, the Hall-Scott-Garrard 12 engine, boasting 12.9 liters of displacement and 600 horsepower, became the heart of steel machines, ready to face any challenge. Each growl from the engine was like a challenge thrown to adversaries before battle. Timeless yet enduring, the Deutz MA 711 roars to life after years of slumber. Its 6-cylinder diesel engine takes you back to 1954, a milestone of resilience and innovation in the industrial world. We're talking about the MVY 7828, a 100 to 200 kilogram powerhouse built to drive heavy-duty equipment like high-capacity pumps and complex drive systems. It doesn't just deliver outstanding performance. You feel its mechanical strength in every unmistakable, thunderous vibration. The first roar of the Klimov engine on the Yacht 1 feels like a portal back to a time of fire and steel. This V12 power plant may lack the polish of its Western counterparts, but it's inseparable from the courage of Soviet pilots, relentless, fierce, and undeniably compelling. The Rolls-Royce Eagle Diesel was Britain's post-war declaration to the world: we do not stop innovating. Rooted in the legacy of the original World War I era Eagle piston engines, this diesel version stood as a testament to engineering tradition, fused with the bold aspirations of 20th century jet age aviation.
I believe he was successful.
The Fairbanks-Morse ZC208, introduced in the early 20th century, is a four-stroke, water-cooled diesel engine producing 12 horsepower. This engine was primarily used in oil fields, powering pump jacks to lift oil from deep within the earth.
So it's got a totally different sound.
The MW MTBD 234-V12, introduced in the 1960s, is a 23.4-liter V12 diesel engine producing 500 horsepower. Designed for heavy industry and military vehicles, this engine is renowned for its durability, continuous operation, and powerful performance. Journeying back in time through these ancient agricultural machines, both rusted and majestic. Mechanical monsters like the Avery 40 to 80 horsepower and Fairbanks Morse 6 horsepower come to life once more, recreating the steady hum of old-time farming. We hope this mechanical symphony has touched your heart. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss another unique video.